Wholesale2B is a dropshipping platform designed to simplify product sourcing and order management for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Upon accessing the platform, users are greeted with a clean interface showcasing over 1 million products across various categories. Wholesale2B offers seamless integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, and other popular e-commerce platforms. It also handles order processing and syncing, reducing the manual workload for store owners. You can quickly navigate the product catalog and explore niche options suitable for your target audience. Pricing plans cater to various business sizes, and the detailed analytics provide insights to optimize your sales strategy. The customer support team is accessible and responsive, providing guidance as needed. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. While Wholesale2B is feature-rich, some users may find the learning curve challenging when starting out, and certain integrations might require troubleshooting. Additionally, the platform charges specific fees per integration, so understanding the cost structure is essential. Despite this, its comprehensive offerings make it a valuable asset for dropshipping entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support more reviews.